What's up guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to download the templates from W3 layout and deploy on Flask. Let's start. Enter W3 layout, click on W3 layout, then website templates, here personal, and after that we will create professional CV or 4-pillar site, view demo, just see here, iServices, about me, my projects, work experience. Okay, click on starter, then download for free, like on Facebook, otherwise follow on Twitter. It's your side. Then download the templates. Then after that, click on this and click on web folder. And then copy CSS, fonts, images, and JS. Copy it and then paste on static folder. Don't skip first tutorial because this is a basic parts, static templates and app.py. Index.html, copy index.html, copied it and then paste on templates folder. Just copy it properly and then paste here. Okay, overwrite, and after that uh, run first, run app, stop and rerun. After the running app you will see, okay, this one is CSS is not calling. Why CSS is not calling, we'll discuss on further on. Just click here, console. Here CSS is not calling. The Flask, this one, link CSS, flag sender, style.css, and font awesome.css. In which folder there is present static, but in Python, in Flask, there is some other things are, we'll see. Just click on here, href means what, URL for. Just call URL for, open and close curly braces. Here also open and close the curly braces. Okay, two curly braces is required. Then enter URL underscore for. Okay, then open and close the bracket, open and close the bracket, then single quote, and in that just enter this folder name is static, this folder name, this one static, then comma, then enter file name. Okay, equal to single quotes, and then copy this one, this file name. Which file name? This one, and paste here, overlay.css. See here, overlay.css, cm overlay.css. Same process for this also. I just copied it, and from this css just copy and paste here properly. Okay, same process for this one also. Copied like sender. Please copy properly. Don't require double quotes here. See, copied it properly. Okay, then same process for Lightbox, same process for Bootstrap. Here is three, it's remaining. Copied, paste here. Okay, same process for Lightbox also. Same process for bootstrap.css also. And then font abbas, same process. Copy and then paste here link. Okay. And then style.css. CSS. Okay. Then run, click on run app, stop and rerun. Then click on here. You'll see here CSS is calling. But what happened? What about the JS? Then inspect console jQuery fat new.css. It's calling. Okay, JS is not calling here. Okay, just see jQuery JS is not calling. Then Control F here. Click on this one and Control F. Then call JS. Where is JS? Here. Same process. Open and close the curly braces here. Enter your URL for, okay, then open and close the bracket. Okay, then single quote static, then comma, then file name equal to, just copy this jQuery.js, this file name, just copy properly, Control X and Control V. Okay, then copy this script src. Where is JSC? Also JS in bottom. Okay, this one, two JS is here, no? Just copied this src and then paste here. Paste it properly, otherwise you are getting error. In only in single quote. The JS copied and paste in single quote only. Just paste here. Okay. Same process for this one also. Okay, same process for this one. Same. There are two JS. Then copied and paste. I think so. There JS. Please copy it properly, otherwise it's getting error. Paste here. Same process for this one. Like sender JS. Paste here. Okay. Just copy and paste properly. JS remaining. Okay. Then Control S and then just wait. Here is single quit is remaining. Just see properly. We'll see here. It's not getting problem. Okay. Then refresh it. Here we'll see JS is calling right now. Okay. About me, services, my services, skills. But what about the images? You'll see there is no images present. Then just click on here and Control F and IMG. Enter IMG. See here. We required this one image first. IMG. Think so. Okay. IMG. This one for the our my projects. We'll see this one my projects. Okay. There is no images. What we do, same process. Okay. Just open and close the bracket and then URL for open and close the curly braces and open and close the brackets and then click on static and comma then file name. Okay, equal to single quote and control X and control V. Okay, URL for static file name. You see here my process. Okay, this one. Okay, like that. Same for P2, P3 and P4. Copy this one properly and then enter here. Just click on here P2 and P3 and P4. Okay. P3 and P4. Okay. Same like that here also P4, P5, P6, P7 and P8. Just P4, P4, P5, P6 and P8 and just until P5. Okay. You can copy and paste from here also. Okay, and just click on here. Okay, then next thing is one image file also remaining. Just I will show you. Yes, here images shinde.jpg. Then click on here. Same process URL for just open and curly braces and here so same. Then enter URL for then static then in static folder after that comma then file name equal to colon single quote then enter shinde.jpg. Okay. Enter here yes all data just copied from images shinde.jpg. Control X and control P here. Okay. Just see this one is correct. Yes, this one is correct. In images folder, there is present shinde.jpg. Okay, you see this one, this image is remaining. Just refresh it. Okay, there is some error. We'll see what happened. In images static URL for, here just click URL for. Okay, just refresh it. You see there is image is present here. Okay, what about this image? This image is present in CSS files. Okay, we click on this one, just click on inspect and we'll see images style.css. Okay, here is bg.jpg. If you want to change this image, just click on style.css, bg.jpg, 131 line. Okay, go on 131 line. There is 131 here. Okay, I just downloaded one image, rahul1.jpg, copy here and then paste here, rahul1.jpg. Let's click on here. You can edit this one, rahul1.jpg. It's a example. You can enter anyone if you want. Okay, I just control Z edit. If you want to add your image also, just download that image and paste here image dot in images folder, and then in style.css just click here in inspect. Where is style.css? Just click on this one and then style.css. See here there is a present. Okay, just control S, refresh it here. Okay, after refreshing this one, if you want to change your name, just I will show you how to change your name. Okay, just copy it and paste here. Okay, my name is Shinde. Okay, here, enter here and control F and then paste. Just click on index.html and here Shinde. Okay, then Shinde, my name is Shinde. Okay, then you just enter here Rahul in caps, just entering my name as a Rahul here. My name is Rahul. Okay, if you want to change this is my website, and after that I am a designer. Just click on here designer, search designer. Okay, then enter here I am a data scientist. It's your designation, enter your designation. I'm just entering here my designation as data scientist. It's a data scientist. After entering designation, refresh it. You see here your I'm a data scientist. Okay, if you want to change here also, just click on about me, just about me. Okay, here just enter here Rahul, enter your birth name, birth date, phone, job, experience. Just enter your experience, address, email, website. Okay, if you want to change here your site also address, then also here also some work experience about the yourself. Enter yourself here also, and you can change here also. This one is related HTML. Okay, this one. If you want to change these also files, shinde.jpg, then enter here and click on shinde.jpg. You will change your image also. Okay, this one, this image is on this. I will show you on CSS files. Okay, about.jpg. Which line? Click on style.css 511. Click on style.css. Just go on 511. 511. Okay, here you can change. You can download the image, otherwise yours image, and then paste here and change your name. Okay, this one in JPG format, and then refresh it. You will see this image will refreshing. If you say this image is change it. Okay, if you want to delete some data, you can delete it. I want to delete some data like I just want to delete my services. Okay, then click on here, control F, same process, my services. Okay, my services, where is that? Here from DU. This one is starting, and I'll show this one is ending. Just control S and refresh it. Your my services is not here. Okay, if you want to delete from this one also, same process, my services. Just click on here and just delete it from this one. So control S. Okay, I just control C edit. This is your second tutorial. In this tutorial, what we learn, just download the template from WT layout, and then in static folder there paste the CSS fonts, images, and JS. In templates folder there just enter paste here index.html. Okay, this is your second tutorial. In next tutorial we will learn how to deploy this site on Heroku platform. Okay, just log in Heroku and GitHub also. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For most tutorials, please press the bell icon and like, subscribe, and if you have some doubts then comment also. Thank you.